Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you a vegetarian dish, French bean. I have a 2-pound French beans. I washed it and cut into small pieces. The smaller you cut, the more crispier and crunchier they become when you cook them. I'm going to use olive oil for our tadka, 1 tablespoon, salt, cumin seed, garam masala, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, 1 teaspoon each, 1 red onion, 1 tablespoon ginger, 1 green serrano chili. And let's start tadka. Get a fry pan and I'm going to start gas and we're going to keep gas on high. I'll bring olive oil. You can use any vegetable oil and I'll bring 1 tablespoon. I'll bring cumin seed. I'll bring onion, mix it well. We're going to cook our onion for 1 minute. Cooking our onion for 1 minute. Now I'm going to bring ginger and green chili. We're going to cook it really well. So keep stirring so it won't get burned. Cooking our onion for 4 minutes. It's nicely turning brown. And now I'm going to bring all the spices. After adding all the spices, I'm going to mix it well. And we're going to cook our spices along with tadka for half a minute. Now I'm going to bring the French bean. I'm going to bring my gas on medium. And we're going to mix it well. Once our tadka is nicely incorporated with French beans, we're going to cover with the lid on medium gas. We're going to cook it for exactly 5 minutes. On medium gas, cooking for 5 minutes, I'm going to start the fan and I'm going to open the lid. Mix it well. Within 10 minutes, our sabzi will be ready. So it's a good idea. Cook it for 5 minutes, then mix it well. We're going to cover with the lid again, and we're going to cook additional 5 minutes. Another 5 minutes on medium gas. I'm going to start the fan, and I'll open it. We're going to mix it. Our French bean sabzi is all ready. I'm going to turn off the gas, and I'm going to dish out. I'll get my serving platter. Our quick and easy French bean sabji is all ready. You can always serve with the roti, chapati, naan, fulka, parantha, even bread and tortilla. It's really healthy and very nutritious. So please try it. If you like this recipe, please comment below how you like it, and I'm going to see you soon with the new recipe. Best of all, Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day.